Alright, well, I just wanted to make another vid here, my progress so far. And let's see if I can move this light out of the way here a little bit. Just doing this vid with my phone because I didn't feel like going and digging the other camera out. So I wanted to show that I got some new resistors in the power, or some new capacitors and resistors in the power supply there. And I'm actually playing the radio right now. So I got the power supply pretty much done. And then I was working on the IF here a bit, which is this section here a bit, and this in here. Bunch of orange drops. Some resistors have been replaced and some haven't. And some were good enough to carry on and some were toasty roasty. And then I found one resistor over here that was it looked stock. I don't think it was a replacement, but somebody had put a 22K in there and it's supposed to be a 1 meg. So I put a 1 meg and or 220K I should say. The schematic and the parts list call for a 1 meg in that position. I haven't got a antenna hooked up, but there's definitely a change when you touch the antenna. Let's see if we can pick up a different station. I gotta reach under here to change the channel. Change the station, I should say. There's your local disco station on FM. See what else I can find here.
You're right, and no one can tell you otherwise. Pride can drive a wedge between families and friendships.
Yeah.
It makes people cling to bitterness.
Volume's louder on some stations than others.
Words can tear down pride and get life flowing. You can hear more about God's love from
Classical. I don't know what this is.
Get ready to gift, get ready to glam, get ready to shine brighter.
But anyway, I just wanted to show the progress so far. Kind of got this area and through this area here, and I gotta get up in here and start working. Gotta work out this situation here yet still. I ordered some motor run caps, but they haven't showed up yet. Ordered them from Mauser, and of course this time of year stuff takes a little longer, right? But anyway, bunch of orange dips, a few brown dips, Panasonics. And some pink and green resistors. The pink ones are carbon film, and I like to put those in the signal path. The green ones are metal film, and I keep those ones in the, I try to keep those ones in the power supply part, the B plus. And when I have them, like the carbon film in the signal path, most generally. Alright, well, there's a progress report. If you watched, thanks for watching. And till next time. Bye.